is a new day. This arrived yesterday. Bumili kami pre-workout kasi nakakatamad bumaba para bumili lagi ng coffee.
Oh, pati mas maganda talaga mag-pre-work.
Tapos ayaw naman niya magtimpla ng coffee dito sa bahay. So, bibili kami lagi ng coffee. Wala. Masarap
Ano
din.
to? Pre-workout. Pre-workout, pre!
Anyway, I'm gonna wait for a package to arrive today kasi tomorrow I'm gonna have a masterclass with Vogue and L'Oreal. So, I'm gonna test out...
Boom.
I need to test the products before I use them for tomorrow's demo. So yeah, that's the agenda today. We also have a meeting in Makati, no?
Oo.
Yeah. But before anything else, mag-workout muna kami. Let's go. Also, do you guys like our new place? Like, it's so fucking nice. Wala kayo masabi. Anyway, most likely yung video ng condo tour tapos na. So, we'll probably include a link on the description. So, you guys can see kung ano naging progress nito bago maging ganito. But anyway, yeah, mag-workout po na kami. Bye. I have tried a lot of pre-workouts for the past 5 years. And somehow, bumabalik pa rin kami sa C4. This flavor, it's the Icy Blue Raz. This is also the first flavor ng C4 na pre-workout na na-try ko. This is Icy Blue Raspberry. Ooh. We use sippy straws like this in our household. Gusto niya ng swirly straw. Masarap.
Ano?
Okay, hindi ako expert mag-braids, pero masaya siya gawin for me before ako mag-gym. Okay, I'm ready. I just need to put a shirt on because nahihiya ako mag-workout pag walang shirt. Normal ba yun? Feeling ko naman normal yun. Okay, we're back from the gym. Now, mag-ready kami ng breakfast.
Sarap. Kamaron.
Okay, pumasok muna ako sa office kasi Jarwin is currently on the phone with his parents. Before ako mag-breakfast, I wanna take a shower first kasi parang wala. Gusto ko lang maligo na. The products that I'm gonna use for tomorrow's masterclass is on its way. I hope na pinadala nila yung ni-request kong products kasi para ma-execute ko ng mas maayos yung look for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm so excited and nervous at the same time because like, girl, masterclass, who the fuck is she? I'm so happy kasi my demo or masterclass tomorrow is different. Kasi di ba usually puro glam or like beauty yung mga demos. Pero yung sa akin kasi creative or runway or editorial yung look. Kaya super excited ako. Actually, pinlan ko na yung look. Like, the minute someone messaged me for the masterclass, may naisip na agad akong look and dinrawing ko na agad siya sa iPad. So yeah, shower muna. Bye.
Right? But to be safe on network, of course, the agent that will be assigned to you. And then, of course, if mag-release kayo, you can talk to your agent. And
Okay, meeting's done. We're gonna go down to get yogurt kasi parang medyo kailangan namin mag-isip. Is this your way of like de-stressing?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Wala naman.
Also, the package is there na. Okay, I thought we were gonna get frozen yogurt lang. But instead, we're gonna eat at Modern Chat. Kaya na pa namin pinag-iisipan yung pinagbitingan namin. Kasi it's a real head scratcher.
Head scratch. Talaga.
So the food is here. We have hakaw, siomai, and orange chicken. Thank you. Hindi.
Check natin to ni Tori.
Hindi tayo pwede mag-vlog. Sabay tayo nagsasalita lagi.
Ikaw kasi madaldal.
Pag nakatapat sa yung camera, wala ka say. Tapos kung pag wala, ang dami mo sa kasama.
Ay. Gutom na po si Angeline.
Hirap kasama.
Gutom na gutom. Lahat ng gamit sa ni Tori hinawakan. Lahat ng unan hinawakan, pare-pareho lang na mag-size.
Pero siya talaga yun lahat.
Pati yung poster na clearance sale, hinawakan eh.
Siya din yun. Okay, ayan na. Magpo-frozen yogurt. Hey guys! Nakabalik na kami. So now, let's test out the products that L'Oreal sent. And yeah, hindi ko alam kung let's see kung ano yung pinadala sa atin ni L'Oreal. Okay, let's open this one first. Okay, we have the brightening serum, which is kind of small. I'm guessing I have to use this tomorrow as like a skin prep for the model. Ooh, setting spray. This one I have already tried. Okay naman siya. So these are the key products for tomorrow. I have to use them. Gusto nila ito yung highlight ng magiging demo. Actually, parang 5 products yung pinapa-highlight nila sa akin. Let's unbox this naman. Ooh. Okay, so these are tinted serums. Ito din yung highlight ng demo tomorrow. So, lahat pala ng pinadala nila, gusto nila siya yung pinakagamit na gamit for tomorrow. Which is fine kasi ito naman din talaga yung like routine ko for... ito talaga yung magiging routine ko for the first look. Kasi I plan to do like a chill look talaga. Clean lang, but like may wash ng color. We have eyebrow pencils. I have to try all of them today kasi hindi ako sure sa ibang products, honestly. Ooh. We have the mascara. I'm pretty sure maganda siya, so hindi ko na siya open tonight. Bukas ko na siya itatry. But yeah, we have 5 shades. Let's try them out, I guess. Okay, lipat tayo ng pwesto. Kasi I need good lighting. I don't think that I'm going to use the serum kasi I have sensitive skin. Lahat ng need ko ilagay sa face, kailangan ko i-consult sa derma ko. Skincare-wise. Pero makeup parang hindi naman siya super strict. Okay, just let this dry first. Let's try the foundation first. I don't know Martha's shade, but I guess I just have to bring all of the shades tomorrow para makapag-shade match ako sa kanya. This is the shade 2 to 3 light. This one is light medium. Okay, this one is very light. Feeling ko naglalaro yung shade ko sa light and light medium. And then ito, for sure, iwan ko na to. Okay, I don't have a brush with me right now, but I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply this. Let's start with light medium. Okay, so she's kind of medyo runny siya. See? So, I think this is a good match. Tingnan natin. Bongga. Ganda siya. I just hope that this doesn't break me out. In fairness, oh my god, ang nipis niya. Okay. Girl, it's so thin. It's like nothing. Girl, it's like I have nothing on my skin. Ganun yung feeling niya. Let's try the blushes, the liquid blush. So we have 4 shades. I think I'm going to try this shade. This, actually, ang perfect nito. And, yeah, ang perfect nitong dalawa for the gradient blush that I wanna do. Worth it, medium. Okay, so I'm guessing the direction of the makeup is natural skin, glowy, ganon. Kasi, ganon yung finish na to eh. Kailangan ko na ng brush kasi hindi ko kaya to. Cute naman siya, pero can we do an editorial with this ba talaga? Ayun, dapat medyo madami pala talaga. I wanna try the lipstick. Red lips kasi talaga yung magiging signature bukas na look. Ooh, love. Oh wow, actually maganda siya. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Ayan, like, ganda siya. Okay, try natin. Smells good too. Ay, nakaganto muna. What if gawin ko tong base para sa blush? I hope it blends well. Hold on. Okay, parang better. Ito, compared dito. Okay, kailangan ko nga talagang gamitin to as a base. So now, let's take this and let's see if magbablend siya. Kasi dito mag-e-effect yung... Dito natin malalaman kung effective yung gusto kong gawin na two-tone na blush. Okay, maganda siya. If you're the type na parang hindi mo na need mag-base and diretso cream blush ka na, this is for you. I want to see if I can use the lipstick as an eyeliner. So I'm gonna take an angled brush. Ganyan. Okay. Okay, nilalaro ko na lang talaga to, guys. Okay, let's try these pala. Okay, in fairness, maganda naman yung red. Gusto ko makita yung look na to without eyebrows. Hold on. Okay, I have this concealer from MAC. Actually, wait nga. Tatry ko na buuin yung look habang nandito na siya. Kasi basically, ito rin naman yun. Hold on. Okay, ang messy. But this is the idea. Siyempre, mas maganda kung model yung paggagawan ng look. Okay! I now have an idea. Feeling ko ako si Jenna Ortega dito. Like, charot! Okay, I'm gonna take this off kasi bigatan na ako. Let's test the lipstick if maalis siya sa wipes. Okay, naaalis siya, pero hindi madali. Okay, in this case, I'm rubbing really hard. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face really quick and I'll be right back. I'm back. I forgot to come back after ko hilams ng face. It's 8:14 and now, nagawa ko ng tsaka.
Yun na lang ginamit kong mantika.
Saan? Sa ano? Dim sum.
So, yung pinaka-purpose talaga ng vlog nito, daily video... Wala. Daily video. Ang sarap kaya si Rick, no? Siya nag-introduce na ito sa atin. Gluten-free pa siya. Sobrang sarap.
Grabe, I finished half the bag.
Talaga.
But to be fair, Matagal na ako walang chips. Like, kailangan ko ulit ng chips.
Dalawa yung, fancy straw. Kasi, pag isa lang, hirap umigop. Pag dalawa, medyo like,
Ano tawag mo? Fancy straw.
ano ba tawag dito? Swirly straw.
Oo. Hirap pa rin uminom eh.
Pag dalawa? Tugo?
Yeah. So this is what our home looks like at night. Puro kami warm light sa bahay. Kasi gusto niya warm.
Puro warm light sa bahay. Pero sobrang dami namin ilaw. Dami pa namin na ayusin, dami pa namin kailangan bilhin. So kailangan namin liitan yung couch. Kasi parang, 3-seater ba yan? 4?
Parang 4.
Tapos sobrang haba.
So yeah. I also think the light here is too low.
Pag pa nga yan, bright ideas eh. Like, may nag-iisip ka.
Ano pa nga yung nangyari kay Dave? Di ba nag-hair siya? Dito siya mismo eh. Tapos pag gano'n yun natama, nasisi ko na to. Tapos sabi niya, shit, mukhang magbabayad pa ako ng ilaw.
Well,
Gusto mo ba yung weather lately? Na ganito? Ano naman yung mga binabaha?
shit, nakakaawa talaga.
Ooh! Oh my God, anong ginagawa mo? Oh my God!
Sobrang sarap eh. Hindi ako sa sili.
Chili!
Yan.
So, nagpa-movie marathon kami ng Conjuring. Any movie na connected dun sa
Conjuring
Oo.
franchise.
Tapos, so far, nandun na kami kay Annabelle. Tapos, medyo weird yung mga nangyayari sa amin. Feeling ko kakanood namin ito ng horror. Like, di ba, bigla ako nagising twice, madaling araw. Tapos parang narinig ko talaga na meron nabasag or something sa baba, dito sa sala. Tapos, pero kasi, at the same time, I was like, you know what? Baka nananaginip ako. Kasi, tulog na tulog siya. Like, sa ganung lakas, dapat maririnig na yun. Pero tulog siya. So, I was like, you know what? Masyado akong antok. Hindi ba ako mapapababa? Like, hindi ko titignan yung baba. So, tulog ako ulit. Yung sayo, ano yun?
Oo.
This morning.
Oo,
Tawa.
kanina. Feeling ko may umaakit sa hagdan namin.
Yeah. Narinig siyang parang umaakit ng hagdan. Then again, sabi rin niya, baka yung kabilang unit.
Oh, baka sa labas yun.
Okay, bago ako umakyat, gawin natin yung favorite drink ni Jarwin. Add some ice. Hey!
Wow! On the rocks.
Hala, kinakabahan ako. Ito rin ba na-feel mo nung nag-talk ka?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Feeling ko dapat, dati ko pa ginagawa.
Talaga?
Hindi. Kasi parang tayo mo na para i-share yung experience mo para mas makilala ka.
Gets.
Kasi wala, first time nga, parang like, mas naging excited ka. Mas naging excited ako.
Nagluluto na ng gyudon si Jarwin. Grabe naman yung breakfast, gyudon agad. Yung call time ko for the masterclass is 2:30 kasi I'm gonna start at 5 p.m. But I have to be there ng 2:30 kasi yung brief and like I have to prep the model then we're just gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna take a shower and punta na sa venue.
Huh?
Malambot.
Nice, man.
After na to.
Yeah.
What do you guys like? Bianca, who's our beauty writer from the Philippines, and then
Nice.
I have like an hour
Ano naman?
before I start.
Makeup artist who has previously collaborated with Vogue. She will be showcasing how attainable the editorial look is today. And she will walk us through how you can use your palettes and your tools for any style and concept. Let's all welcome Angeline De La Cruz.
Woo! Go!
I'm so excited to show you guys how I do my favorite looks for runway. But today I have Martha as my model. Today I'm gonna start by prepping her skin. So a little something that I learned from Korea is that they don't really like to use primers. Instead,
Hi, Angeline. So,
Hello.
what's your runway look today?
so today,
It's actually runway, right?
yes,
Okay.
I'm picturing something from a Louis Vuitton show from 2019.
The 601, guys.
Tighten the brows. You now have more room.
It's always so fascinating to see the process that happens behind on a makeup chair. Look at these stunning looks today, you guys. Thank you so much, Zid and Angeline, for sharing your artistry and your technique with us today. I hope for everyone who wants to be a makeup artist, is a makeup artist, or just loves beauty like me, I hope you learned a lot of tips and tricks from them as well.
L'Oreal Paris.
Wala yung photo. Takpan. Ang ganda pala sa personal. Sa TV kasi ang liwanag eh. Pero ang ganda. Yeah.
Well, that's the point naman. Alright. Alright. Gonna look match.
Hey! We're back home. Ngayon pala kami nag-dinner. Hey!
Hey, good job today. Ganda.
Kamusta yung
Ah.
yung look ni Martha kanina?
Nalinis, maganda. Editorial pa.
Pinakita ko kasi kung paano like i-elevate ng unti-unti
Yun, ganda.
yung look. Kasi mas maganda yung mag-start ka sa fresh instead of going all ham on the first look pa lang.
Basta, concert. Basta mag-concert. Meron pang yung gitara.
Okay, I'm gonna take a shower and I'll see you guys the next morning. Kasi pagod na ako, girl. Okay, bye. Hi. Say hi.
Hey.
We're gonna go and eat brunch kasi hindi kami nag-breakfast and it's already lunchtime. Wait lang, I'm gonna show you guys what Vogue gave to me after the masterclass. Gave me this bag and inside a September issue and then a bunch of products, skincare, makeup, and may perfume ba?
Yes.
Yeah, may perfume and a necklace. Before I take a shower, buksan natin to. Ito yung costume ko for Halloween. See you on our next video. Bye!
We have Martha.